I'd shoot a quick video of a new project I'm working on with my Onewheel. So I ordered the Kush Wide, I think the day that they came out, and I absolutely love the feel of this footpad. I feel so locked in when I'm riding. I get so much more control and it's more comfortable. The problem, of course, with all of these is your back foot starts to feel like it's on a cloud and your front foot feels totally neglected on a stock wood front foot pad. And it's really hard to swap the front foot pads because of the sensor that's in there. So what I actually did was I ordered a new front foot pad from Witt's Wheel, and I took my old front foot pad that had about 300 miles on it, and I actually disassembled it. So what you see here is my new prototype. So this is a piece I just 3D printed, but I took all the measurements from a stock foot pad and then 3D printed a new piece on my Prusa. You'll notice there's a joint here. That's because there's a little bit of flex in the front of the board on your bumper comes up just ever so slightly. So I printed those in two pieces. It also helped fit on my print bed a little bit easier. And then I took the sensor pad off of the stock and I put it onto my 3D printed piece. And this is printed solid, but it's only about maybe 1/8 of an inch or so thick. And my plan is then, once that is in place, to be able to swap in another Kush Wide on the front of the board. So I'm gonna get it hooked up and we'll see how it goes.